Welcome to Colonial Williamsburg, a living testament to America's early years. Here, history isn't confined to textbooks or museum displays. It's a vibrant, immersive experience that transports visitors back to the 18th century. As you step onto the cobblestone streets, you'll find yourself surrounded by the sights, sounds, and atmosphere of colonial America. Just before the dawn of the Revolutionary War, Colonial Williamsburg stands as the largest living history museum in the United States, offering an unparalleled window into the daily life of early Americans. This meticulously recreated town serves as a bridge between past and present, allowing modern visitors to connect with the experiences of those who shaped our nation's founding principles. Located in the heart of Virginia, Colonial Williamsburg is a marvel of historical preservation and authentic restoration. The site encompasses over 300 buildings, each carefully restored or reconstructed to reflect the appearance and function of the colonial capital as it existed in the 1700s. From modest dwellings to grand public edifices, every structure tells a story of life in pre-revolutionary America. As you explore the town, you'll encounter homes that once housed both the affluent and the working class. Shops line the streets, showcasing the crafts and trades that were essential to colonial life. Public spaces, such as the courthouse and the Capitol building, stand as reminders of the emerging systems of governance that would eventually lead to American independence. One of the most captivating aspects of Colonial Williamsburg is its dedication to bringing history to life through the power of human interaction. Throughout the town, skilled actors and interpreters don period-appropriate attire, assuming the roles of historical figures and everyday townspeople. These talented individuals serve as living links to the past, helping visitors understand the thoughts, traditions, and daily experiences of those who lived during America's founding years. You might find yourself in conversation with a blacksmith discussing the latest news from London, or listening to a debate between colonists with differing views on British rule. These interactions go beyond mere performance. They offer genuine insights into the complexities of colonial society and the diverse perspectives that shaped early American thought. Colonial Williamsburg prides itself on offering engaging experiences that appeal to visitors of all ages. As you wander through the town, you'll encounter a wealth of live demonstrations and hands-on activities that bring the 18th century to life in vivid detail. In the blacksmith's shop, the rhythmic clang of hammer on anvil accompanies the creation of tools and hardware essential to colonial life. At the printing press, you can witness the painstaking process of setting type and producing broadsides that spread news and ideas throughout the colonies. The courthouse and town hall come alive with reenactments of colonial justice and governance, offering visitors a chance to participate in mock trials or town meetings. These immersive experiences provide a tangible connection to the foundations of American democracy and the evolution of civic responsibility. For families, Colonial Williamsburg offers a unique opportunity to learn together in a setting that engages all the senses. Children and adults alike can try their hand at colonial games, learn about 18th century medicine, or participate in military drills alongside costumed interpreters. These family-friendly activities not only educate, but also inspire a sense of wonder and curiosity about our shared past. At its core, Colonial Williamsburg is driven by a profound educational mission. The museum emphasizes learning through experience, encouraging visitors to engage with history in ways that go beyond passive observation. By walking the same streets, entering the same buildings, and participating in the same activities as 18th century colonists, visitors gain a deeper understanding of the challenges and triumphs of early American life. Throughout the town, exhibits and programs highlight key themes that shaped colonial society. Visitors can explore the intricacies of early American government, witnessing the debates and decisions that laid the groundwork for our modern democratic institutions. The importance of trade and commerce in colonial life is brought to the forefront, illustrating how economic factors influence social and political developments. Perhaps most significantly, Colonial Williamsburg provides a platform for examining the evolving concepts of liberty and civic responsibility that would eventually lead to the American Revolution. Through thoughtful presentations and interactive displays, visitors are encouraged to consider the complexities of colonial society, including the stark realities of slavery and the struggle for individual rights. While Colonial Williamsburg offers an unparalleled glimpse into America's past, its significance extends far beyond mere historical recreation. This living museum serves as a cultural institution, committed to preserving our shared heritage and promoting ongoing dialogue about the relevance of history to contemporary issues. The meticulous work of historians, archaeologists, and craftspeople ensures that each building, artifact, and interpretation is as accurate as possible, based on the latest historical research. This commitment to authenticity not only preserves the physical remnants of the past, but also safeguards the stories and experiences of those who came before us. By presenting history in such an engaging and accessible manner, Colonial Williamsburg inspires curiosity and fosters a deeper appreciation for the complexities of our nation's founding. Visitors of all ages are encouraged to draw connections between the challenges faced by early Americans and the issues we grapple with today, promoting a more nuanced understanding of our shared history. As you conclude your visit to Colonial Williamsburg, you'll likely find yourself reflecting on the enduring legacy of America's colonial period. The experiences and insights gained here serve as a reminder that history is not a static collection of facts, but a living, breathing entity that continues to shape our world. In preserving and presenting this crucial chapter of American history, Colonial Williamsburg does more than educate. It invites us to consider our place in the ongoing story of democracy, liberty, and civic responsibility. As you depart, carrying with you the echoes of the past, you'll understand that the lessons learned here are not confined to the 18th century, but continue to resonate in our lives today. Colonial Williamsburg stands as a testament to the power of experiential learning and the importance of preserving our shared heritage. It reminds us that by understanding our past, we can better navigate our present and shape our future. This living history museum is more than a window into early America. It's a bridge that connects us to the very foundations of our nation, inspiring generations to come.